Welcome back, everyone. We had some major moves go on yesterday. We're going to talk about that a little bit. I'm going to let you know what I'm doing personally, see if it makes sense for you. So stick around to the end. I don't think you're going to want to miss this. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know that you like the content. Now, everybody is talking about NVDA, no doubt about that. And overall, we had the market, the Dow was down just a little yesterday, the S&P was up just a tad, but the NASDAQ absolutely exploded. And I believe all this is on the back of AI. Now, is it justified or not? We're going to talk about that a little later, and I'm going to make another video going a little more in depth into that. But when it comes to NVDA, I've had a lot of people asking me, hey, what'd you do with your NVDA? Because they knew I was holding it long term. Or what do you think we should do? And I'm going to tell you straight off the bat, I sold mine yesterday. It ran up. We got a little over 390, come back down, ran up again, did not break those highs. So I sold it at $387, which was fantastic because I've owned that since it was $207. So I made a huge profit on that. And I absolutely believed, could it run up higher? Yes, it can. But if you've bought it and you were up massive profit with that move yesterday and you didn't sell at least some of it, I think it was a missed opportunity because we could also see that fall quite rapidly back down around resistance around that $346 to $354 range. I think that there's a good support level there that we will at least retrace to. I like NVIDIA stock. Like I said, I've owned it for a long time in one of my long-term portfolios. It's not we've talked about it on this channel, but it's not something I've gave this week or anything. I've owned it for a long time. But I did sell yesterday, and I'm perfectly happy with that call because I think that there's a whole lot more chance that it could come down and I could have lost some of that profit than that it's going to continue to run and I'd have made so much more than where I'm already at. So for me, that was a great decision. And no, I'm not going to be buying anymore right now. I'm going to wait. I'm going to see where we pull back to. I think there's a very good chance, even if we do run up a little bit higher, that we're going to pull back down around that 350 range. That's where I might look at picking up some more to move forward with in my long-term portfolio. Now, we also made some moves in our UVXY. I called that out Monday. I said I was looking for them to move. They moved on Monday. They moved higher on Tuesday. I did lock in some profits on my cash secured puts I'd sold. Bought those back, locked in some profit, and I'm going to be looking to pick those back up today. So made some money there. Really happy with that. So overall, we've made some good moves today, and I just don't want you going out there and getting caught up in the hype of something like NVIDIA and then getting dumped on. So anything you do, please go out there, do your own due diligence, and make sure if you're taking the chance that you're also taking the responsibility for that. Because personally, it's not something I'm going to do. Like I said, I sold mine out. I wanted to take that profit, get that off the table, and be ready to move into the next position. Don't forget, the market will be closed on Monday, so we're going to have ourselves a 3-day weekend. And with that, I'm looking for the market to sell off as the day goes on. With that being said, I said I was going to be selling my cash secured puts again. I'm going to be looking at doing that close to market open because I believe there's a good chance that the market could sell off. Now, we may end up rallying throughout the day, but considering how much the NASDAQ run up yesterday and yet the other industries did not follow suit, if we see the NASDAQ pulling back today, then we could see a red day overall, especially, like I said, with a 3-day weekend coming up. So the moves I'm looking to make today, I'm going to be making right at market open. If you're looking to pick up some positions at a low, if you're expecting the market to run higher, then I'd say end of the day is going to be the best spot for your play. That's what I got for you today. I hope this helped out. If you're holding some NVDA, you was wondering where to buy or sell, maybe this gave you something to think about. And if you was thinking about pouring into NVDA right now, then just maybe I saved you from holding a bag on that. So, till next time, be blessed, invest wisely, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.